What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Now this has been a long time in the making. I've been busy preparing this video because I wanted it to be as good as possible, and I've had a lot of fun making it. So if you did enjoy this video, please make sure to leave a like. More of the video you've probably seen with the thumbnail and the title. We bought over 1,000 Pokemon cards, and I know it's been pretty difficult with the fluctuating market, and a lot of people have been hesitant testing the waters with either getting back into collecting Pokemon cards or even investing and reselling on the side. So I decided to do a pretty general video where it's no crazy cards. I don't spend $1,000 on graded cards. I wanted to do sort of like a fun mystery video where I go over buying 1,000 bulk Pokemon mystery cards, you know, over multiple sellers, and then, you know, trying to see if we could make profit out of it, because I feel like this is a good way to have a low capital investment while still having fun collecting, seeing what cards you get, and maybe potentially you know, having some profit on the side as well. I want to reiterate in this video, if it wasn't already explicitly stated before, this is mainly for the people who just want to start collecting again, or like, you know, want to have some fun getting some bulk cards. If your old childhood collections were destroyed, I know my childhood collection is a bit iffy. I might do a video on that on my second channel. If you guys want to see that, I will be working on a second channel. But yeah, I just wanted some bulk cards, you know, to keep me company and, you know, to sort through and see all the different sets that, you know, I've missed out on in my hiatus from Pokemon. So in these two boxes, and I also have some bulk cards on this side, this is over 1,000 Pokemon cards approximately. So there's around like 400 here, there's around 400 to 500 in here, and there's about 200 in this little stack over here. So yeah, I did do a little bit of shopping, definitely. So I am very excited to show you guys what I got. And let's start off with this cherry pound of Pokemon cards, which is advertised to have over 400 to 500 Pokemon cards. So I'm just gonna open this up real quick. I know I shot a montage, but there we go. This is around 400 Pokemon cards, and the cool thing is that they gave a mystery prize, which is an Unbroken Bonds booster pack, which contains 11 additional cards. It's a sealed booster pack. I actually opened that around almost a month ago, so I'm gonna go flip back to footage of that. Let's see what we pull. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So we're back, and as you can see, we didn't really pull that much, but you know, it was a dope experience, and I wanted to actually start off the video with this, if we could make profit thing. So I did a bit of scoping on eBay to see if, you know, the current prices on sealed booster packs, because they did offer, like, you know, a mystery pack with this cherries mystery box. So in every single box purchased, you know, they include a small mystery prize, whether that be a booster pack, you know, some ultra rare cards or whatnot. So I did a bit of research on eBay, and I found out that this sealed booster pack goes for around $15 Australian. You know, that's pretty sick, because I will tell you guys how much I paid for this box of 400 Pokemon cards. I paid $27 express shipped, so that in its own right is pretty amazing for, you know, 400 various Pokemon cards, uncommons, rares, commons, and whatnot. And yeah, the fact that you get a $15 booster pack in that is already pretty sick. So obviously I won't take them out and show you guys every single one, but I will say that these bulk cards are actually really sick. They have some evolutions, they have some various sets that will be really cool for the collection if you guys want to build up bulk or something and like do other collections like evolutions. Here's a Voltorb over here. I feel like this is a really affordable way to get your fix on evolutions as well, since, you know, the prices on those are skyrocketing every single day currently. We got evolutions for days out here. I just gotta add this to my evolutions collection, because obviously I'm trying to build that collection, but it's been a bit difficult with all the changing prices. So yeah, I'm really excited that the fact that they gave us evolutions booster cards, and that's not it. Like, you know, obviously we got more, and then there's a ton of different cards that are worth money. Like, you know, these common cards, these uncommon cards, they're currently worth, like, you know, I think the paying price is around 20 cents per card. A ton of big online stores, like online card stores, will actually pay 20 cents per bulk card. If you do have a substantial amount, like I think over 1,000 or 2,000 cards, they will pay you for that. So I feel like that's a really good way to offload some bulk cards if you guys have, like, you know, thousands and thousands. But yeah, those guys are on another level with that. I want to move over to this booster box over here. This is a Darkness Ablaze booster box. So basically, I think this guy, I bought this from a separate seller. I think this guy opened all of the 36 packs that were in here, took all the rares or the stuff that he didn't need, and then sold the lot as bulk. I paid around 40 Australian dollars for this one. I got a pretty good deal, but the thing is, I wanted to buy Darkness Ablaze specifically just because of the artwork, and I really like the artwork, so I really want to collect a lot of these Darkness Ablaze cards. That's why I did buy bulk, and I did prefer to buy these. He did include a Galarian Slowbro V card, a Grimmsnarl V card, and also a Salamence V card as well. And then the going prices for these are currently around like between $5 to $10, and obviously there's 3 in here, so I'd estimate these to be around 20 bucks for these 3 cards, which is already pretty sick. And you have a bulk of holos as well. Like, you know, these holos over here, they sell for a pretty penny. Yeah, there's around 5 holos in this box, and they sell for like $1 to $2 each, so that's already like maybe around $7 to $10 there, just with the holos. Because keep in mind, guys, even though like they seem insignificant, like $1 to $2, a lot of people do want to finish off the collections, and sometimes holos are pretty hard to find, especially like a specific one. So there's always a market for these common cards, uncommon cards. So don't be disheartened if you find a card is only worth like a couple dollars. It could mean the world for an avid Pokemon collector. So obviously you got a bulk of Darkness Ablaze cards over here. You know, these are probably again worth around 20 to 50 cents each, depending on the rarity, if it's like a uncommon, rare, or a common. And these reverse holos are also worth some money. They're obviously, they have a reverse reflective shine on it, and yeah, some of them are actually worth money. So it is pretty sick, and it's really exciting just to find out what you can find from these bulk cards. But I did go through all of the cards just to find out, you know, which ones are the most profitable, or the ones that could make me money and an easy sale. And I came up with this little stack. So this is comprised of all of the 1000 cards that I've bought over here, which cost me around 60 bucks, but don't include the Darkness Ablaze thing, because, you know, I was biased in buying this just because of the artworks and all that. $40 for 400 or 500 cards isn't that good, but obviously I just bought it because it's Darkness Ablaze. If you guys wanted to get a feel, I'll probably buy multiple of these cherry Pokemon cards. You know, 25 bucks for 400 cards, and you get a $15 mystery booster pack. Is pretty sick. So obviously I'm gonna have a b-roll on this things, on the type of things that I bought from here. So obviously here's a quick little look. So I actually got 2 sets of Charmander and Charmeleons. So over here, these are actually worth like, you know, I think $3 each. So just with these 4 cards, they're worth around, you know, $10 to $12, and that's just with the 3. You can do a bulk deal, and then that'll make for an easier sale. And we also got an Evolutions Pikachu. Who doesn't love this guy, this chunky boy? This card also sells for around $3. In the box, we also got a Charizard and a Mega Blastoise Spirit Link. So obviously that's a pretty cool card. It features both the Charizards and the Mega Blastoises, and these are actually going for around 4 to 5 Australian dollars, which is pretty cool. You can do a little bulk deal with these 2 cards and sell them off as a set, just like I saw some guy internationally do that with a Venusaur, I'm pretty sure. We also got these Burning Shadows Charmander and Charmeleons as well. That's pretty cool. Like, you know, they go for around $2 each or something like that. And we also got this Pikachu from Burning Shadows as well. This one actually goes for $4.50 for a common card, which is actually really sick. Here's a reverse holo Diglett from Evolutions. I think this one goes for around $4 as well, which is pretty cool. And then finally, the card that I'm most excited to show, we have a Surfing Pikachu Secret Rare from Evolutions. This is obviously one of the secret rares that you can get, and it has, you know, a original chunky Surfing Pikachu, which I find really cool. This is my favorite card that came out of all of this bulk cards that we see over here. This one goes for around 15 Australian dollars, I think. That's a going price for all of these. So obviously a $15 card that was found in a $25, you know, mystery box bulk buy, and also paired with a $15 booster pack. We basically made our money back with just these 2 items, which I find really cool. Everything else is a profit, basically, you know, with all the cards. And my advice for this video as well, if you have a lot of these cards, there's actually a going rate for bulk cards as well. Like, you can sell them off on eBay. Like, I think they go for like 50 cards go for around $8. I've seen that a lot of those, and a lot of people, a lot of collectors, if they're priced right, a ton of people will go and buy them just for the fun of opening, just to see what you get. I myself are one of those people. You know, I have a ton of cards over here, but, you know, nothing stops me from, you know, buying a mystery pack online just to see what I get, just because of the excitement of opening them again, seeing all the artwork. Like, you know, that's just what happens sometimes. So if you have a ton of bulk cards and they're in really good condition, you could definitely sell them off as being bulk. You can even include a mystery prize just to, you know, get the incentives going. So I'm just going to leave a little bit of a tally just to see how much profit I made with the cost. I don't know if I'll include the Darkness Ablaze cards, just because they were a bit overpriced, considering I paid 25 bucks for 400 cards, and then for this one it was around you know, for 40 bucks for 400. But yeah, I will include some sort of a table that I drew up or something like that, and then, you know, depicting all of that, because honestly, with all of the evolutions cards that I got, like, you know, this is just a small stack of evolutions cards that I got from this bulk buy. You know, with all of these cards, evolutions is rising every single day. So if I get around 50 cards like this, I think they're selling for around, I don't know, maybe like 30 bucks even. Just like some bulk evolutions cards, they are selling for quite a lot. So I could definitely sell bulk on a lot of evolutions cards that I have, and if you guys get a ton of those as well, you can do the exact same thing. You can definitely make a profit. So basically, the moral of the story of this video is do buy some bulk cards if you are interested in this, and you can definitely resell bulk cards like this. Like, you can resell 400 cards and then do installments, like, you know, 50, then you know, you can do like 100 bulk cards, and then you can price them accordingly depending on, you know, what the going rate for the amount of cards that you include are. But yeah, that pretty much wraps it up for this video. I hope you all enjoyed and learned something new. It took me a really long time to film all of this. Currently it's like 18 minutes on my camera right now. So if you did enjoy, please make sure to leave a like, please subscribe down below, and also leave a comment. I respond and read to all comments. So thank you all so much for watching. So yeah, actually let me know down in the comment section below if you guys want a video on how to sell your Pokemon cards, because I know that that's been a going question that I've had, like, you know, where to sell, how to price them accordingly, and how to find relative market prices. But yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Take care and peace out.